the calendar indicated in terms of the salary expenses. It will be giving up the remainders to the common user. What about the balance? Bank balance or maybe card balance in terms of each day. Because yet another 20 days to be going to get another salary. You need to get into with the balance salary, you need to cater the demands of your economic constraints for maybe for another 3 weeks, 2 weeks. In terms of feeling, in terms of the entertainment, the going for any of the officers, the various reminders will be given, intimation is given. Therefore, the social media. Similarly, what happened in terms of the messaging and etc. The social media, WhatsApp will be giving up a number of messages about the office things. Office maybe office company. The activities involved, this has to be completed by today or this has to be completed by tomorrow. So in such cases what happens, this app will be getting involved in terms of giving the information to the end user of the remaining salary to be used by the end user of the common of the application user. There is a calendar based application for the remaining 2 weeks or 10 days or maybe of anything. So it will be giving up an idea. So when it using or implemented by the common user, with help of the integrating of a calendar and media, social media application in terms of the it can be called as a budget. Finally, what happened? It will be giving a satisfaction to the end user. Quite simple. Within the salary, they are going to be correlate of all the expenses of the month. You can be quoted for a month or maybe for a year. Maybe I need to quote with the help of only of 6 lakhs or 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs. It will be scheduling of all the activities properly to the common end user, so that no need maybe of his wife or maybe father and mother without any other assistance and then information or maybe the guidance. This app will be giving out the various things. What happened? Quite simple, we use of the applications and technologies of the mobile app for the common end users, such as integrating of a calendar with their media application. So we will be getting into all the attributes and parameters in terms of how much money can be spending for our entertainment. And for how much money to be debited to the bank for our medical expenses. And how much money to be given to, suppose the end user as a sibling, that is maybe either of a son or daughter. How much money to be given to our monthly, because after a period of a first time and second time fees, they need to pay at least 50,000 rupees. They can't get it debt because within the fees they need to run the family for a year or for a month. How much money can be given to the bank balance? So what happened? When it is scheduled properly, the money will be transferred to the concerned account with the information of the end user to the concerned account, to the medical account, to the education account, to the entertainment account, daily account. From the account, what happened? The money will be, the deposited money will be getting into the needs. So the no need to getting in terms of the debt for putting into seats or maybe of getting there, putting the jewelry in terms of the bank loan etc. So that again this app will be given of the meeting of the common needs of the common user. Finally, what happened? Satisfaction is given without of any assistance. They have to help me in terms of the monthly budget, so that without of any other guidance, I lead my life very peacefully and very peacefully without of any debt from anybody. So this app is very usefully. What happened? Presently the mobile apps are not cross-platform. So what happened? Android apps will be running only in the Google forum or maybe a Google consortium, that is of our Android. iPhone apps will be running in the iPhone. So when designing the app, try to understand the needs of the end user and apply the technologies. So we will be getting up a marketing and followed by what happened. The app will be used by the n number of users. Just like about the things what happened in terms of feeling, medical, entertainment, etc. One amount will be, he will be getting up an assistance. Today you cross the limit, tomorrow you should balance. Or else you will be suffered by means of the last 10 days. The various reminder is given by the app in terms of giving up a seriousness to the concern maybe of the common user about balance of his bank balance or maybe his debit card balance or credit